Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your lies for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Joe double six like Rudy. All up! Cartel take back the dice. Look like Romy Chef, I said the right price. Chef say I said I saw unique song. Which part she said that on stage you know man. But Vibe said my song was not a collaboration. The fans them I wonder why it take him so long. Like me a pen them clutch and see a Instagram. And I dash dirty water in our comment section. Hey gal, why you keep the world boss sound? Hey gal, you are trying to see Gaza done. Some say a publicity, part of the plan. In a disbelief, some a hold them head. Wonder what's next, will it be infrared? But see I shan't see ya, you never see. Chris and Lisa, I don't know why you want get beat. Gaza fans them say them head well hot. No more loaded, but go play your back, boy.
Following it up, I could look like idiot when everything done. Just watch.
Tap. Back at it again. And you know when I come to talk, Me say a big rain go on a me pen. And you know as the hero, me I come save you. But me not take the plane. I swim. Jamaica, Jamaica. May I come? Ross, what's the Ross? See everywhere? Yes. Everywhere. Alright, don't know.
Daddy. Yeah. School not keep tomorrow, you know. What make? Because today 4 teachers get stroked to them neck and their foot broke. And 2 other teachers but them 2 and dead. And to them go to school, me not see the school. Oh, alright then. The man really believe that someone who may have some good line.
Why? Seriously, like, what is the reason for this? Who in them right mind are gonna buy see-through pants? Plastic pants. I wonder if a Kanye West make them have to match the shoes where he make. You know when you go to the clubs that this shit a go sweat, you know, and it a go steam up and look like a bag of vegetables. You's a lady and you do buy one of these, make sure your panty dey on point. You can't come out no ugly panty, no holy panty. You have to make sure your panty clean, pretty. Furthermore, you have to make sure everything dey on point down there. So I mean, even see the point in this. Like you might as well just come out of your house in your knickers alone. Out in some plastic bag pants. Another thing, when you broke down wear them pants, yeah, because we can see in your pocket and we can see if you have money or not. Clean flim looking pants. All them pants when you see them be nice, they make you know. Better have some on the leg when you know wear that I go look like me to wrap up in a clean flim.
Okay.
Yo, what going?
Hello?
So I can come grab a little more a long time and I see you.
No, I don't think that is possible because me and him together right now and him always a watch me.
Hi girl, you don't let that brother yet, man.
Wait up on the phone. But just let him go there so and you're up on the phone, man. Wait up on the phone. Give me up.
No, babe.
Yo, who this?
Okay.
Are you the producer?
Yeah.
Dog, scatter yo, a long time what a lick like this in a dog. Yo, brother, you can't get me up on some fest, brother.
Yeah, man, I have nothing that. 1 3 me down.
Oh, you have them link here and you not tell me. I want to you.
Make it happen, man. I say I heard.
Yo, see if they get 5 tickets in. I want you one backstage pass too.
Really?
Drive me.
Ready to do this? Let's kind of do the dance hall song, but I have no idea what to say. Like, I have no lyrics, so what do I do? Honestly, just like repeat something over and over again, and it'll work. Like, trust me, just do it. Right. Do it. Just try it. What do I say?
Cock up on it, sit down on it. 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 Wine, 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 yeah, wine, 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 wine. Take time,
hold on, y'all might have
take
this
time,
song.
take time, gal wine, gal wine. Take time, Take time, girl wine, girl wine. Cock up on it, sit down on it. 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 Girl wine, 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 girl wine, 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 wine. Well, let me see your bubble, 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 bubble. Let me see your bubble, 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 bubble. Take it down, low to the ground. 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 Me say down to the down to the down to the ground. Down to the down to the down to the ground. Down to the down to the down.
Hello? Where Charmian there? How are you? How are you? Trevor, Charmian husband! How are you? Ja Rastafari, I name is Rasta, no we give your wife big body today, aka Sideman, Bonaman, everything, even Mr. Steeler, girl. What? A lie you want tell? Fire burn that! Me never like pum pum yet. How you know my wife? Oh, me know your wife, because me give her the lion today. Ask her what kind of color panty she have on her bed. She said pink. Charmian, what color panty you have on?
Pink.
Yeah man, and the itals too she get, you know. Oh, my blood clot. I get blood.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.